A couple people wanted to see this quilt up closer to see how the artist managed the flowers. There you are. That's what it looks like up closer. Also, you can see the little bit where the knife edge shows. The back and the front are just folded inside and whip stitched together all to make the edge. And you can see in that spot where the quilter got a little mixed up and missed some of the pieces that needed to be in there. And if you look all around the edges, you can see quite a variation in those curves that make up the edges. She was making it up as she went along.